PeepMe is a social network that connects different individuals throughout the world. Our users share their spendings, buyings, and selling lifestyle with other users. Users of PeepMe will have the opportunity to publish pictures of products or services they purchased and say how much they spent on it, so that one can see how much the user has spent throughout their timeline. When you download it, you will see that you have 5 sections at the bottom of the app: the home page, the search page, the camera, notifications, and your profile page. The home page will show people that you are following or peeping. From the search page, you can access all the PeepMe users in the world and see what they are peeping. You can also search the hashtags the users use too. You can sort any of the search results by date, price, or views. With the camera, you can take pictures or upload photos from your photo library. Once you are ready to post your picture, you'll just need to put the price of it, some comments, some hashtags, and you can even share it by Facebook too. Under the Notifications tab, you can see the people that start to peep you, see comments to your pictures, or who mentions you in a post. And from your profile page, you can view your pictures and your peepers, and the amount that you've spent. You can register for PeepMe using your Facebook account or by email. It's free on the App Store, so download PeepMe today.